In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is where you manage your pages, design, and site content. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Website or Pages, depending on what appears in your version of Squarespace. This will take you to the area where you can create and organize the pages on your site. Next, find either Main Navigation or Not Linked. Main navigation is best if you want the page to appear in your site menu. Not linked is useful if you want to work on the page without displaying it in your main navigation right away. Click the plus icon next to the section you want to use. This opens the menu for adding a new page. From the available options, select Page Layouts. Squarespace will then show you a collection of pre-designed layouts. These layouts are helpful because they give you a strong starting point and save time compared to building a page completely from scratch. You can browse through the different categories and preview the available designs until you find one that fits the purpose of your page. Once you have chosen a layout, click on it to continue. Squarespace will then prompt you to enter a name for your new page. Type the page name you want to use, keeping it clear and relevant to the content of that page, and then press Enter. Your new page will now be added to your site using the selected layout. After that, open the page and click Edit in the top left corner. This is where you can customize the section using Fluid Engine. You can adjust the content, move elements around, and fine-tune the layout so it matches your branding and the style of your website. Take your time here to make sure everything looks clean, balanced, and easy for visitors to read. When you are finished making changes, click Save in the top left corner. This will apply your edits and keep your new layout page updated on your site. That covers everything you need to know.